We're making history right now. It's our first time motovlogging together.
Why do you always clap? I'm excited to hear your exhaust for the first time.
Oh my god, it's gonna be amazing. Alrighty guys, we're here in Dallas, Texas with the lovely Brittany Wynn. This is gonna be her first time hearing my SC Project exhaust on the Fireblade thanks to Motivation.
I've only heard it through videos.
Yeah, it definitely does not do it justice, and this video will not do it justice either. Okay, I'm out of breath, let's go home.
Oh my god, I'm so out of breath.
It's a beautiful day here in Texas. It actually feels kind of like California. You ready?
Ready, Freddy.
That was a burp, not the bike.
Oh my god.
That's loud. That's really nice. That's really, really nice. I didn't think it was that loud from the videos. Oh, it puts my bike to shame with my Acura.
Oh my god.
Hunter just got a new exhaust from Motivation on his Fireblade. Oh my god, it sounds so sexy. Like you can't even hear my bike over it. It's like Target to Walmart.
Today, Brittany is filming and she is going to be riding this Cbr1000 and I'm going to swap with her and ride her 636. So this will be my first time seeing and hearing my bike being ridden on the public street by somebody else.
I'm excited. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's my first time riding a Fireblade. I'm so excited. I always get so nervous when people let me ride their really nice bikes.
Howdy. Just pump number 19. Oh my gosh. Two beautiful bikes, a beautiful gal, and one beautiful motovlogger right here. Gasoline. Why does something so bad for you have to smell so good? We need to get you some better riding pants. Got that cash money, know what I'm saying? Talking to myself, sorry.
I cannot even describe my excitement for riding his Fireblade in a little bit. It is just such a sexy bike, and with the exhaust, oh my god, it's just cherry on top.
Alright, as much as I love this Fireblade, it's time to swap bikes and hop on the Aquamarine Dream. Yeah.
Woohoo, that bike is so nice. You're so awesome.
I just like clapping at you. You ready?
Release the Kraken.
Let me say it again, hang on. Take two. You ready?
You always take care of me. Let's go! Get on the bike!
Oh my gosh, here we go.
This bike is so nice. My adrenaline is pumping. Whew, I'm so nervous on this Fireblade. Oh my gosh. I don't know why. Just riding nice bikes get my adrenaline pumping.
Alrighty. I will be riding Brittany's Kawasaki 636. Yeah. She will be on my stock fairing Fireblade.
Look at him doing his intro and stuff. It's so funny watching him motovlog, talking to himself, cracking up.
You look good. Everything's matching except for the blue jeans and the skin showing out of the blue jeans. Wow, she looks great on that bike. Woo! I hope I look as good on this bike as she does on that one. Not possible.
Oh my god, I am definitely turning over to the Honda side right now. This Fireblade, I am in love. Whew, my bike looks so good. Oh my gosh, I never get to see it from this angle. All I get to see is the tank.
We stopped at the store to hydrate and we don't have masks, so her and I are both matching with our helmets on. I want the orange.
Oh my god.
How you doing? Alright, we're hydrated. You ready? Let's do it. It's getting dark awfully soon on us, so on to the next weekend. Okay, we're back. I'm sitting here with a Honda, and he is passed out. He's sleepy. So earlier in the video, I pointed out to Brittany that her pants had holes in them, and these are my riding pants from Pandomoto, and they actually sent a surprise for Brittany. Hey Brittany, come here. I got something for you. So Pandomoto sent these for you.
Ooh.
Yeah. That's right, ladies. Pandomoto has a women's line. These are their Kusari Slim Fit motorcycle jeans, and they are... Oh, what are the kids saying nowadays? Oh yeah, fire. Woo! These are fully CE approved, and they're Kevlar lined for abrasion protection. There's these insane stretch panels throughout the whole knee area, so these things are so stretchy, I'm pretty sure I can wear them. Okay, maybe not. They come with this knee armor that's so incredibly moldable, it just forms to your body. There's 2 slots inside the knee so you can adjust your armor placement. The pants also come with these compartments in the hips, so if you want to add some extra armor, you can. The back pocket has this waterproof zipper, and the front has functional pockets. Huge thanks to Pandamoto for sending us these. If you want to get yourself or that special someone a pair, just click my link in the description below. Woo! They look so good.
Thank you.
Give me a spin. Yeah. Alrighty, back to the bikes. Both got our Pandamoto jeans on. Oh yeah! Hi Brittany Wynn. Feels good to be back on the bikes. She can't hear me as usual.
I wore all black and red for your bike.
Yeah, you're gonna match this bike perfectly. I just put my earplugs in, so I can't really hear anything right now.
We went the wrong way, yeah.
Huh?
We went the wrong way. I thought that was it, but it wasn't.
What? Alrighty. Time for the 636 again. Oh, the seat is so slippery. Slippery mother.
All the bikers wave to me. You know, I notice sometimes they won't wave to Hunter. Maybe because they know I'm a chick. I should have given Hunter, we should have traded backpacks too, so he could wear my little pink one, so he could be full on Brittany Wynn mode. Ooh, let's hear his exhaust some more. Ooh. Oh my god. This bike is just, I love it so much. Oh. Okay, that wasn't a great start. The kickstand was down. This bike is so smooth, and the exhaust though, it is so incredibly loud. Like, I swear I can't hear my exhaust. Hunter's so much better than me at twisties. Like, he can go lower than I even can with me on the back of his bike.
Stop.
It's inspiring, man. He's so good at just like skillful riding like that. Let's ride. Mother's gonna be so mad.
That's it. I found it. Yes.
This is the windy road that Hunter was looking for.
Oh yeah. Ow. It was a pleasure riding the Aquamarine Dream again. Feels good to be riding red again.
Oh my god. Gosh, his bike is so loud that, like, legit, I need earplugs to ride beside him.
Oh, hip cramp. Hip cramp. No. Oh! 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 Woo! Wow, it's been a while.